In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule on Calendly with a comprehensive guide updated for 2025. If you're looking to make your scheduling process more efficient and streamlined, you've come to the right place. We'll take you through each step, ensuring you understand how to utilize this powerful tool to its fullest potential. Let's start by heading over to the Calendly website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in calendly.com. Calendly is a widely used platform designed to simplify the scheduling of appointments and meetings online, which is perfect for business professionals and personal use alike. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner where you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. A sign up option should be available. But for today's walkthrough, let's assume you've signed up and just need to access your existing account. Next, a new page will load where you have different login options. In our demonstration, we'll use the Continue with Google method, as it's often the quickest way to access your account provided you have your email linked. Click on this to proceed. You'll be prompted to select an account. Here, instead of using personal details, you'll choose the account you've previously linked with your Calendly. Everything should be straightforward from here. Just click on your preferred account and you'll be automatically logged in. Now that you're logged into your Calendly dashboard, it's time to create an event. Look for a Create button, which should be prominently displayed in the dashboard area. Clicking this opens up the options to set up your meeting or event page. It's an intuitive process designed to assist you in identifying what type of event you want to set up. For our next action, select the One Host option. This is typically used when you are the sole person hosting the meeting. If you plan on collaborating with others, there's also an option for multiple hosts, which can be explored at a later time if needed. As you move through, you'll notice additional settings under More Options. Clicking here allows you to further refine your event details. You can customize the event name, location, and description. This is essential for conveying vital information to your participants. Choosing the date and time to schedule your event is next. Calendly offers flexible scheduling options that let you pick dates and times that best fit your availability. This makes it easier for your invitees to see when you're free and book an appointment without the back and forth emails. Finally, once you've completed selecting your options and feel satisfied with the setup, click the Save Changes button. This will ensure all your preferences are recorded and your meeting is ready to go. And there you have it, a simple, effective walkthrough for scheduling on Calendly. With these steps, you can manage your appointments and meetings with ease, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Stay tuned for more tutorials to enhance your productivity.